raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold.
Jump starting our season. Basically, this race is the start of our training block. We haven't been off season for 3 months just to prevent from burnout and injury. We're now in Banaue, then in the Altra 100 race, but it's just 25 km for us. Therese, MJ, Scott, Tony, Russ are here. Feels nice to be back in the Cordilleras. I just saw a white boy here.
Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town.
4 consonnes et 3 voyelles, c'est le prénom de Raphaël. Je le murmure à mon oreille et chaque lettre m'émerveille. C'est le tréma qui m'ensorcelle dans le prénom de Raphaël. Comme il se mêle au A, au E, comme il les entremêle au L. Raphaël a l'air d'un ange, mais c'est un diable de l'amour. Du bout des hanches et de son regard de velours. Quand il se penche, mes nuits sont blanches. Et pour toujours. Et j'aime les notes au coup de miel dans le prénom de Raphaël. Je les murmure à mon réveil entre les plumes du sommeil. Et pour que la...
25-kilometer mountain race is a challenging trail run designed for both beginners and experienced runners looking for an adventure in the great outdoors. The course typically winds through rugged terrain, including steep ascents and descents, rocky paths, and even some technical sections requiring careful footing. Runners will encounter various types of landscapes such as dense forests, rice paddies, open meadows, and exposed ridgelines with stunning panoramic views. The elevation is significant, with some sections requiring participants to hike rather than run. Weather conditions can add another layer of difficulty, as mountain weather is often unpredictable, ranging from intense sun to sudden rain showers or even cold winds at higher altitudes. Finishing a 25-kilometer mountain race is a rewarding experience, offering a sense of accomplishment and the opportunity to connect with nature while pushing personal limits.
And start. And struggling up hills. From the start, it really goes uphill. And so not used to it yet. But enjoying.
He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack.
So far it's continuous uphill. And Clarice at least 4 times had to go back for me because I'm so slow. It's hard to regulate the heart rate if the start of the race is already uphill. That's the biggest challenge for me. So I have to warm up first before assaulting, a lesson that I have to keep on reminding myself. Also dealing with some niggles I acquired just this week. Hopefully it's not shin splits.
your music when the sun go down. Maybe someday your name will be in lights saying, Johnny, be good tonight. Go, 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 Johnny, go. 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 Go, Johnny, be good.
Who's Jacob? What's up, bro? Kamusta?
Ito, yung ano, grabe yung blister.
Nag-blister ka na?
Opo.
See the sunlight up the sky in the morning. Something that I know just feels so right. It's coming back around now. It's coming back around. It's coming back around.
So there you go. This part, lots of stairs and can be really mossy and slippery. Slipped a couple of times. And we saw MJ past us. He's doing well. He's very competitive. He's 5th and he's fighting against the locals. So it's quite a battle he has to go through. But good for him. Clarice and I are just taking our time, taking videos, and the view is just fantastic. Even the trail. Most of it, it's runnable, and the vegetation is just Cordillera being Cordillera. There's Sai, doing well. Our heroes. 3 days here serving
Close my eyes, I go
the dogs, serving the company.
doesn't
3
really
days of serving food to runners. Thank you for volunteering and for the support. It's a nice trail, good service, good support team. 5 stars. Okay, thank you.
Everything is flowing from
See you. Nice stop at the AS. It's nice to see familiar faces. The trail community is very small, it's very tight. Everyone knows each other. When it comes to AS, there's gonna be a lot of stories to share. If you exchange, we took our time. Enjoy. And now back to stairs. Here's the legend. Nice.
Ganda?
Yeah.
Go.
Sige lang yan, easy. Video lang. Okay. Ganda ng trail. Let's go. So, here's my nan. Hello. Gonna cross the finish line together.
She was a fast machine. She kept
built a motor clean. She was the best damn woman that I ever seen. She had the sightless eyes, telling me no lies, knocking me out with those American thighs. Taking more than a shot. She told me come, but I was already there. 'Cause the world started shaking, the earth starts quaking, my mind was aching. We weren't making it, and you shook me all night long. Yeah, you shook me all night long. I'm walking double time on the seduction line. She's a one of a kind, she's just a mine.
Nice, nice.
Wanna know what it was, it's just another cause. Made me a lot of me, and come back for more. Had to cool me down to take another round. Now I'm back in the ring to take another swing. 'Cause